Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Motor Travel, where we discuss absolutely everything about motorbikes, traveling and adventure. I just came back from a trip to Ireland and I tried out a new piece of equipment. Let me show you what it is. You know me, I really hold on to my camping gear. I'm not one of these guys who buys all the time new gear just because other stuff falls out of favor. But this time I decided this kettle stays at home. I'm using the same pots and pans for over 30 years, as I already mentioned in my previous videos. But the kettle fell out of favor. There's nothing wrong with the kettle itself. It functions perfectly fine. It is just the sheer size of that thing. So this is my new kettle. It's from a company called Sea to Summit and it got one party trick. Yes, it folds up. Let's be serious about this. There's nothing wrong with my old kettle apart from the sheer size it takes in the panniers. And the space is of a premium on a motorbike. That was, for me, the next logical step. This kettle, the X-Kettle from Sea to Summit, is made out of food-grade silicone, got an aluminium base and two handles and a see-through lid. It holds, if you fill it to the top, 1.3 litre of water, but the maximum safe level, according to this, is about, well, I would say 1 litre of water, but that's plenty to make yourself a cup of coffee. Let's compare these two kettles in a bit more detail. The new one is 6.5 ounce in weight. That's about approximately 185 grams. But the old one is only 5.5 ounce, what is about 140 grams. So that's actually a clear winner. When it comes to sturdiness, again, the old one wins hands down. Aluminium and rubber. But when it comes to sheer packing size, there's no comparison. And that's the reason why I stick with this little X-Kettle. For me, it makes perfectly sense. You just find always a place in your pannier where you can put this little thing somewhere wedged in. Whereby this kettle, nope, you know, you put that on top, 1 second, you put that on top of your other gear. That is rather a big pack you have to find space in your panniers for, whereby if you put them together, that is one big space saving. One other aspect you have to consider is the price. This one here is 5 times the price of the old one. So if you not travel much or you stay in one place for a long time, this kettle will serve you well. If you have not much room on your bike and you really like the flexibility of a fold-up kettle, well, this one is for you. For me, it is a no-brainer. I stick with this one for the next few trips because, quite frankly, space on my bike is a premium. One big no-no is to use this kettle on a big flame. You're not allowed to let the flame touch the side walls. So, I think that's it for this video. That's my new kettle. That one stays at home. If you're interested in this, follow the link in my description below. That's like an affiliate link, so I get a bit of a kickback. I also have to say I bought this kettle from my own money, so this is not sponsored by anyone. So, if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel so I can do more videos. Also, click the link below, give me a thumbs up. That would be really appreciated. Until next time, ride safe.